A client, unhappy with both the opposing lawyer and the judge in his case, left a series of voicemails so obscenely vulgar that he ended up facing a criminal contempt of court hearing. I'm not a lawyer, but I once observed a courtroom session involving requests for injunctions, restraining orders. In one case, the woman was present in court, but the man involved was in prison and participated via a phone call. After an agreement was reached, the man asked if he could make a statement. At the conclusion of his remarks, he added, "And tell Borish to go fuck herself." The judge extended his prison sentence by 6 months. Following a severe reprimand from the judge, the man requested to make another statement. Incredibly, he repeated the same offensive remark, "and tell her to go FZ herself," resulting in an additional 6 months of incarceration. Imagine losing an entire year of freedom because you couldn't keep quiet for 5 minutes. I know, but I once dealt with a court case involving a completely irrational neighbor who built a fence on my property. The court ordered him to move the fence, but instead of relocating it by the required 6 feet, he shifted it just 3 inches. While he was on the witness stand, the judge firmly instructed him, "You will move the fence to the correct location within 7 days, or you'll be held in contempt of court. The resolution of the remaining charges against you will depend on your compliance." Under his breath, the neighbor muttered, "I'm not moving that fence again." The judge's head snapped up instantly. "What was that?" He quickly responded, "Nothing." The judge held him in contempt, imposed a fine, and sentenced him to spend weekends in jail for a month. He also lost all the other cases. As a paralegal, I once had a convicted criminal explain to me why they believed their murder charge should be overturned. Their argument was that because the victim didn't die at the scene and instead passed away at the hospital, the defendant should only face a charge of attempted murder, not murder